Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So you guys said I should do a video of how I use Payday app. So I spoke in my last video that I use there are two apps you can use. So what I use is Payday app. So this is what you're going to do. You're just going to go to your app store or your Play Store and download Payday app. Okay, after downloading, you see all of these things. You just swipe and fill in your information. So they will ask you to put your name. So please do not make this mistake. The mistake I made, I did not use my bank name. Okay, the name I use for my banks, because you are still going to put your PVN number, so you want to use the name that you are using for your banks. Okay, I hope you guys can hear me properly. So what I'm just doing, I'm just creating a fake account because I already have an account with them, so I'm just creating a fake account for you guys. Okay, so I've put my email. They now sent me this thing in my email, so I've put it for them. So I've created the account now. Right, now they've sent an email that, oh, congratulations, thank you for joining, blah, blah, blah. Now you have to create a PIN to secure the app. Okay, so I just created a PIN right now for the fake account. And this is it, basically. This is it. So if you want to pay money to the account, you click on the top up. Okay, then you transfer money. So when you click on the top up, you just see your account number, see your details. This one is just your identification and everything. So you see your account number, you just copy the account number. I'll show you guys in a bit. It's my own account, so I've left that fake page. This one is my personal account. You can see I have 3,000 naira there. So what you do, okay, this is where I'm showing you guys now. Are you seeing this is my bank these days? So that's my name. That's Sterling Bank. That's the bank they gave me. Some people said it's Wema Bank, but my own is showing Sterling Bank. Yeah. So you just copy your whatever. What is it called now? The bank details, and then you transfer the money to it. So I tried USSD transfer, did not work, so I had to use POS to transfer to the account. So in case it doesn't work, you would just try POS. Okay, so that's how I got this 3,000 naira showing here. So what I'm just doing here, I'm just swapping the money from naira to dollars so that I can use to buy something from AliExpress. And if you can see, you see that the money what they gave me now is the fee is 15 naira, and what I got is $3.89. That's what I got from 3,000. Okay, so that's it basically, you guys. I hope this was helpful. So if you have more questions, let me know in the comment section. I will film another video for you guys. I do not want this video to be too long. Okay, all right, please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys around. Bye.